Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unfolding Literature. So today we are going to discuss about the suggestions for MEG 7 for June 2021 exam. So the probable questions which can come in the exam, I am going to discuss it. Hope it will help you so much. So first of all comes here the non-fictional prose, and from here you can prepare the topics on Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhi, and some probable questions which can come in the exam is discuss the prose style of Jawaharlal Nehru in reference to his autobiography. And the second one is discuss Mahatma Gandhi's Hind Swaraj as a post-colonial text. And the third one is Gandhi's influence on Indian fiction in English, and Bikram Seth and Amitabh Ghosh as a travelogues. So these are the four important questions from non-fictional part. And here comes the second topic, which is untouchable. From here the important questions are discuss Mulk Raj Anand untouchable novel as a social novel or social criticism. Both type of questions can come from this part. And then narrative technique, discuss Mulk Raj Anand's Untouchable as a modern novel, discuss the appropriateness of the title, discuss the importance of Gandhian philosophy. So Gandhian philosophy, social criticism, narrative technique, modern novel, appropriateness of the title, these are the important questions from this part. And then Kanthapura. Here is a choice, you can read either Kanthapura or Untouchable. From Kanthapura you can prepare Murthy's character, and here also the narrative technique and Gandhian novel. Gandhian novel and narrative technique is the most important questions which come in MEG 7, and discuss the art of characterization of Kanthapura. This is also a very important questions. So and then from the clear light of the day you can study about the theme, political dimension as a feminist novel, use of imagery. These are the four important topics for the questions. And then come Tara. So here from Tara you can prepare the theme issue. From theme the most important topic is the issue of gender. This is the most important question which comes generally in the exam. And then the question can become the Tara as a problem play, Tara as a play of social purpose, as a social tragedy. How important is family in Mahesh Dattani's play Tara. So these are important questions from the Tara. And then comes the part of stories. So from stories you can study the elements of short story as an overall view of the short story. And then comes the narrative technique in Geeta Hariharan's Gajar Halwa. Gajar Halwa is the most important question which generally comes in the MEG 7, repeatedly it comes. And then critical appreciation of Gajar Halwa. And then you can study about the Ruskin Bond. Sorry, here is a spelling mistake, and it is Ruskin Bond. So you can prepare the three stories which is available in your syllabus. You have to prepare all the three stories of Ruskin Bond. And then comes Shashi Deshpande as a short story writer. If you get enough time to prepare for your exam, you can go through the other short stories. Otherwise, these all are the important topics for MEG 7. Then another question is from the story is comment on Shashi Deshpande's style of telling story with reference to the Miracle. Miracle is also important story from MEG 7. And from the poems part there are many poems, almost 45 poems are there, but you don't need to prepare all those. You can prepare only Henry Dirozio, Toru Das, Sri Aurobindo, Sarojini Naidu, Kamala Das, Nizam Ezekiel. And if you have more time then you can prepare for the other poets also. I have prepared already so many videos on MEG 7 topics. You can go through the topics, and many more videos are coming for before your exam. So to have more content or to have more knowledge before your exam, please stay connected with my channel. Thank you so much.